Hey, what's up YouTube? Alright, well, I'm doing a quick video for anybody out there that may be experiencing problems with this little thing, and this is the fuel pressure regulator. That's been causing me a lot of problems with hot starting. Right now it is the middle of July. It's 89 degrees outside and really humid. You can probably see it shining off my face or whatever. It's hot. The car won't really start up all that well, and here's an example of starting. But the fuel pump has been changed, the fuel filter has been changed, all the lines have been changed, and it still won't start up correctly. So the culprit is this little thing right here, and I'll show you why. That just goes to show you right there that mine was definitely bad, because it's not supposed to be putting any fluid or gas going through there at all. So you see mine is definitely dripping. And then what you're going to do is you're going to stick those down in there. It's kind of hard to get to right now at the moment filming. And squeeze them together, and then this should just come right out without any problem. You should just be able to take it right off. Alright, then after you get that little clip off, that's what you need to start. And then you need to come over here, and I'll just put it back on real quick. As you can see, this is the front of the engine going down over here to the side. Take this off and relieve the pressure that's going from the rail through here. So leave that pressure off so there's nothing to build up and it won't come shooting out of there. But it's already doing that, as you can see on my finger. The diaphragm has definitely failed and it's leaking back into the hose here, which it's not supposed to be doing. Alright, I'm just going to take a pair of pliers. See if that wiggle its way up. Probably going to take me a few minutes, and you'll probably figure that out too, how to wiggle it out of that tight little squeeze. I think those little rubber things make a tight seal, so yeah, just work that. Alright, and then to put that back on there, just make sure it gets around there, and then you can stick it back over whichever way. It will go down inside there. Still have some wiggle room inside there a little bit, so you can hook the line back up, and there should be nothing leaking out of there until this fails again. So yeah, put that back together, and hopefully that will stop some of the issues. Whew, okay, it's really hot out here today. At least a little breeze is coming through. So okay, so as you heard, the car is actually starting up. It's doing okay now. I'll see what it does later on tonight and tomorrow, but I think I've resolved the issue. I would definitely say if you're having any hot start issues where it's like a long cranking time, or it kind of like starts up like kind of quickly without like a normal kind of like crank, definitely look at, number one, your fuel pump, make sure that's working, change your fuel filters, make sure your lines are okay, and then definitely go after your fuel pressure regulator, because those usually are kind of a silent but in your face small little thing that's causing a lot of problems. So if this helped you out there, you know, subscribe or hit the like button, and I'll try to make more videos in the future, because as you know, Mercedes-Benz information is very expensive to obtain, but if we have a community out there where we can all help each other, that's the best thing. All right, see you in the next video.